So here it is, the Infiniti G37. You have your cruise control buttons here, your phone buttons here, volume, source, everything to work the radio. Radio is a screen which you can't really see due to the lighting, but it is there, it does exist, and as you can see, you just can't see it due to the lighting. It does, I guess, have the eco mode here, which is great, save you some money on gas. It has 148,000 miles on it. What I really like about it is I'm a clock guy. I don't know what it is, I just love clocks. And it's got that little clock there, which I really, really love. I don't know what it is, it's just something about them. I just enjoy them. Then it's got the black leather interior all over. You can see back there, got it. And plus where I'm sitting, little hidden cup holders here, right? I threw the keys in there, but this thing is hidden down there. You have all these buttons and arrangements for anything you'd like to actually do. You can put it on economy mode, change your settings on your radio. Ice cold AC. I don't know if y'all can't feel it, but I can feel it coming right out of here. You got your pre-programmed seats. You can actually program where you want everything to be in the car so that when you get in, if somebody's adjusted your seats, boom, push this button here and you get your seat right back where you wanted it. Obviously all your controls here to work all the windows. One there as well. As you can see, we are rocking and rolling in this thing. It is a beautiful, beautiful car. Has the push start button as well right here. So that fires right up. No problems, no problems. Runs and drives like a dream. Here it is, just cruising down the road. Here we are going, what's 40? Yeah, we're going about 40 miles an hour. It says 40, so I'm going the legal limit. And it's hard to see this, guys. But yeah, as you can see, there's no check engine lights, no nothing going on this thing. It is driving amazingly. So if you're interested in it, just give us a call, 321-425-6313. You can also check out our website, anybudgetcars.com. This car can be had for as little as $0 down, depending on what your credit score is. If you got a lower credit score, it may need something like $1,000, maybe $1,500 down. So go ahead and reach out to us. We'll see what we can work out with you with the bank. We have an amazing bank. Gets people into cars with amazingly low credit scores and does really, really awesome stuff. So especially right now, things are a little tight with the bank. They didn't really hit a lot of their targets and their goals, so they're letting cars go for the craziest prices nowadays. So if you got it, if you ever wanted a car, now could be your chance to have gotten one. Oh, I also missed out. Look at this. Heated seats. I didn't even notice these before. The button. There's so many buttons in this doggone thing. I didn't even see it. So yeah, this is what you're dealing with. If you're interested, we have it, and here we are. Any Budget Cars, 2241 Aurora Road, Melbourne, Florida, 32935. Thank you.